So far, we've just had some on and off showers in the Cajon Pass and no major problems with travel to report so far. You can take a look behind us here and see that the 15 freeway is pretty much wide open right now, which is great news, but there is the potential for some more low snow. So Caltrans is ready to deal with any issues that may pop up. Take a look at this video here and you'll see that over in Riverside today, some neighborhoods even got some large hail. Now, if you're from California, this might qualify as snow to you. But in both Riverside and Moreno Valley, it was enough to stick to parked cars in the streets for a little bit. Well, the grass at Sycamore Highlands Park was also dusted in white from all that hail. Then up in Big Bear, of course, the snow just keeps piling up. They have over a foot of fresh powder already, and up to 8 inches more are possible by tomorrow. This is video from a drone flying during that storm at the Blue Green Resort. Back out here live, the Caltrans crews are ready if any potential issues do pop up, and they're telling people that chains are required in all the mountain areas. Be prepared for winter driving conditions and just take it slow out on those roads. Reporting live in the Cajon Pass, I'm Nicole Comstock, KCAL 9 News.